Hello everyone! Today we would like to walk you through the process of installing cork flooring in children's playgrounds. Cork flooring has the following advantages. It offers a level of healthiness and comfort that you might not have experienced before. There's truly nothing else quite like it on the market. Cork flooring stands out as the premier natural flooring option available today. Our children can now play without the worry of microplastics. And even on the hottest summer days, they can run and play freely because the floor remains cool to the touch. Cork flooring, despite its many advantages, cannot ensure durability when using natural cork alone, meaning it can't be used as a building material on its own. This is where specially processed cork comes into play, and that's PG-Cork. PG-Cork is a product made with patented processing technology, and we were the first in the world to successfully bring it to market. The significance of commercializing PG-Cork granule is that it allows us to create a product that can be used as both indoor and outdoor building material, using only cork without any additional materials. This contributes to making human life safer, more comfortable, and healthier. The extensive use of PG-Cork granules also naturally helps in protecting the environment. Both PG-Cork and the PG binder used with it are eco-friendly products, free from harmful substances. PG-Cork is used for indoor and outdoor flooring in a variety of applications. The installation procedure of PIP PG-Cork flooring for children's playground is outlined here. As you can see, it is very similar to installing rubber flooring. Now, let's go through the steps of installation. The cork flooring for children's playgrounds consists of two layers, the lower layer for impact absorption, and the top layer where children run, play, and walk. The lower layer is made up of larger cork granules, and its thickness is determined by the height of the playground equipment. The top layer typically has a thickness of 5/8 inches. Now, let's take a look at the installation method for the playground's lower layer. Before you start cleaning the floor, first, relocate the materials and mixing equipment to a more convenient spot for the work. Once all preparations for the work are complete, the first thing you do is thoroughly clean the floor. Remove any paint or chemical substances with a solvent like thinner, and then use an air blower to blow away all debris, dirt, and dust. The flooring shown here has been designed to meet the required cork thickness, and the civil engineering phase has been completed. After cleaning the floor thoroughly, apply a primer made on site. The primer is made by mixing PG binder with pure acetone in a 1:2 ratio. The purpose of the primer is to enhance the adhesion between the floor and the cork. Use a paint roller brush to apply it evenly and generously across the entire surface. Pay extra attention to the edges and the areas where the floor contacts curbs, ensuring these spots are well coated. Now, moving on to mixing process of cork and binder. You can start mixing cork with PG binder once the binder primer has mostly dried. First, add PG-Cork to the mixer, followed by PG binder. The mixing ratio of cork to binder is 16 liters to 12 kilograms. The cork used here is unprocessed natural cork with large particles of about 4 to 8 millimeters. Mix thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and uniform, which usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes after adding the binder. Now, transport the mixed cork to where it will be applied. It's advisable to distribute it in manageable amounts across the area for easier spreading. First, use a rake to spread out the cork chips evenly. Then follow up with a wooden squeegee to roughly level them to the desired height, facilitating the subsequent roller work. To prevent cork chips from sticking to the transport cart, cover it with plastic and wrap the wheels with tape. This greatly reduces the hassle and time spent cleaning off any cork that might stick after use. Before you begin rolling, it's crucial to spread the transported mixed cork evenly to achieve the desired thickness. For a smooth, level finish, using tools like a rake and a wooden squeegee is recommended. After the laying work is completed, compaction work is carried out using a heating roller. The flatness of the lower layer is not very important. However, compaction work must be done taking into account the thickness of the top layer, which is usually 15 millimeters thick. Use a heated roller for two main reasons. It ensures a smooth rolling process, which increases work efficiency, and it prevents cork granules from sticking to the roller. The weight of the roller we recommend ranges from a minimum of 30 to 50 pounds, with an internal temperature between 200 to 250 degrees Celsius or 390 to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the roller work on the lower layer is completed, finish the edges with the trowel. At this point, leave space for the top layer's thickness and compact the material. Trowel work can also be done before the roller work, depending on the circumstances. To make the trowel work smoother, heating the bottom of the trowel or applying soapy water can be helpful. Now, let's take a look at the installation method for the top layer of the children's playground. Now, once the lower layer work is finished and it has begun to cure, start mixing PG-Cork with PG binder. First, add PG-Cork to the mixer, followed by PG binder. The standard mixing ratio is 10 to 1, but for floors requiring extra strength, we recommend a 10 to 1.1 ratio. There might be clumps in the cork bag, so before you add it to the mixer, either you stomp on the bag with your feet to break them up or use a sieve to ensure the cork goes in without lumps. Mix thoroughly until the mixture is smooth and uniform, which usually takes about 2-3 minutes after adding the binder. After mixing, immediately clean the inside of the mixer with acetone. Removing cork that is stuck after some time has passed can be quite challenging and time-consuming. Transport the mixed cork to the installation site. It's best to place it in manageable amounts across the lower layer for easy spreading. Before you begin rolling, it's crucial to spread the transported mixed cork evenly to achieve the desired thickness. For a smooth, level finish, using tools like a rake and a wooden squeegee is recommended. Now, proceed with the roller work. First, we use a light roller for initial compaction and leveling, followed by a heavy roller for the final compaction and leveling. Continue rolling until the surface is flat and has a uniform texture. The main difference between cork installation method and that of rubber chips is the use of a heated roller and the fact that the number of roller passes is approximately twice as many as with rubber chips. You can also follow the light roller with a heavy roller, performing compaction and leveling simultaneously. Once the roller work is finished, use a trowel to smooth out the edges. Trowel work can also be done before the roller work, depending on the circumstances. To make the trowel work smoother, heating the bottom of the trowel or applying soapy water can be helpful. Now, the installation of the cork flooring for the children's playground is complete. Allow approximately 24 hours for curing before the children can play on it. During this curing time, install safety barriers to keep both people and animals out of the area. We also supply a variety of colored cork chips produced with our proprietary technology. We are the only company to have commercialized cork chips where the color does not peel off easily. We've successfully completed over 150 different cork flooring projects, and by 2023, we've installed over 2 million square feet. Our installation track record and product quality are among the best in the world.